How to image trace in Illustrator. Go to Illustrator and click Create New for New Canvas. Select Web and click Create button. Then go to the gallery, choose the image, drag in the Illustrator. Drop to the canvas. Then adjust the image size. Now you can go image trace option. You should know how many color in this picture. Let's try 3 color. If you will select 3 color, you can see apply 3 color blue, black and white. You go back with Ctrl+C. Now you select 6 color. Now see it now apply for color blue, yellow, black and white. To expand, you can see that's complete. Press right click with mouse and do root. Everything is separate, you can move everything.